If you stumbled upon this video, then you will most likely become a successful, abundant content creator. And my guess is you have wanted this for a while. Quitting your unfulfilling job, get off the corporate hamster wheel for good. But another part of you is terrified to admit it. But here's the truth. I asked God before this video to only show this video to people who actually will become content creators. So it's in your destiny. So let's get you there fast. When I got my first office job, I remember it was in Malta, I was really excited. But then at the end of the day, I was so exhausted and reality hit me. I have been studying so hard to get to this part where I spend my whole life in a cubicle until I'm retired, and I might have so many aches and pains. I might not even be alive to enjoy my freedom at that point. One day I met my boyfriend and he taught me how to become a content creator. He had already been blogging and doing YouTube and social media for many years, and he taught me the secrets. And shortly after, I was able to make income from my content creation. And it's now been over 8 years since I had a job. This is my job, and this can become your job too. I think what puts many people off is that they think that it will take ages to become a content creator and to make enough money to quit your job. So today I'm going to share like how to really fast track that so you can start making money within the next 3 months. So without further ado, here is the 3-month bootcamp roadmap to becoming a content creator and making money. Month number 1, you want to clarify your niche. And what you need to know is that your niche is not chosen, it's remembered. You have a niche, you have a purpose that you picked pre-birth. And yes, it can change throughout your life. And I know it can be really difficult to know what that niche is, but it's actually very, very simple. I think most people overcomplicate it, including me. I sure did. For example, one of our students in Nomad Freedom Academy, he had experience in recruiting, but his big passion was home workouts. He had gotten his dream body by only doing home workouts, and he really cracked the code. And he was asking me, Julia, how do I pick? And by the way, if you want a free business clarity call, then link in the description. So I told him in the clarity call, go with your biggest joy, right? What are you reading books about? What do you love talking about, being nerdy about? And he said, so I have more experience in recruiting. That's what I have worked in. But my big passion, what I keep reading about and obsessing about, is home workouts. So I said, there you go. That is your niche. And he was like, wow, I guess it is really that simple. In the beginning, I was picking things that I had experience in. So for example, I wanted to start a translation agency because I had experience in translation. But eventually you will lose that motivation that you have in the beginning if you're not passionate about the subject. And as you start posting content that first month, really experiment with a wide range of topics within that niche and see what does best and what you enjoy talking about the most. And this leads into month number 2, which is consistent, messy action. So month number 1, when you're defining your niche, your branding, that's what people find most fun. And then when it comes to the actual posting of content, that's when people tend to be like, well, I'm not really sure. They start to lose confidence. They want to wait until they have more time, until they have more of their brand colors tweaked, or they're not sure about the logo, or like, no, you gotta take messy action. Start posting and you can tweak things later. Because here's the truth. Confidence doesn't come first. Messy action does. I call it the action compound effect. Progress equals imperfect action times consistency. So really shift your mindset that you're not a consumer, but you're a creator. So all the time that you've been scrolling Reels, scrolling YouTube, take that time and start creating content instead. Month 3, now it's time to think about monetization. And most people will tell you to create a product first, make a sales page, maybe make an ebook. But the truth is that this takes quite a lot of time. And if you are not part of a program where you get templates like in Nomad Freedom Academy, then this can be very hard and take a long time, especially if you're not techie, which many spiritual people aren't. So what I recommend for you is to start getting affiliate income. And this means that you pick a product that you use. For example, if your niche is smoothies, you can sign up to the affiliate program of your favorite smoothie maker. It will generate a link, put it in your YouTube description, mention it in your videos. And when somebody clicks and buys that smoothie blender, then you get a commission. That way you already have a sales page that that converts and you can start making money right away. Let me know which niche you're going to pick. And next up, watch my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Love you and see you in the next video.